Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use split screen feature on your LENOVO Ideapad C340 laptop. So to use the split screen function, we have to first open up several windows which we want to split on one screen. I think I got 3, so 3 is plenty. So to use the split screen feature, you just have to select one window and drag it to the top of your screen, and then select one of the presented options of layout of where you want to put your window. So for example, let me put it on the left side. Windows automatically set the file explorer to the right side, but we can just switch it by minimizing this tab. For example, if I want to be the Edge browser to be on the right side, I have to drag it to the top of the screen, just like this, and then just select the right side to place it there. And right now I got my screen split into 2, but as you could have already seen, there are many more options. For example, we can put our browser here on the top, and then we can put the file explorer down below. It's quite uncomfortable, if I might say, but generally that's how it works. You can also resize your windows by dragging the edges of your windows to the left or to the right, to the bottom or to the top. For example, if I want to see more of the browser and less of the file explorer, I can do it like that. I can do the same thing to the file explorer, so I can just make it more visible on the screen. And basically that's how it works. That's how you enable and use the split screen feature on your laptop. Now, if you like this video, please let us know in the comments, leave us a like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.